What's good? What is good, my sizers? We are back again with another video, and today we are at Hershey Chocolate World, located inside the New York casino on the Las Vegas Strip. They are open from 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. Monday through Thursday, and 9 a.m. to midnight Friday through Sunday. Check out this 9-foot Statue of Liberty made entirely of red Twizzlers. The twist you can't resist. There is over 800 Hershey chocolates and candies throughout the 13,000 square feet of space spread over the 2 stories. But check out these Jolly Rancher scented candles. They smell just as good as the candy tastes. But anyways, along with Hershey merchandise that would make great souvenirs or gifts such as clothes, toys, and candies. And for all you Hershey Kiss lovers out there, be sure to check out the variety of flavors they have to offer, especially their apparel down to t-shirts, socks, hats, and shorts. If that doesn't spark your interest, they also have kitchenware. And if you need a break from all those candies, they also have a small section for Kit Kats. You can also start in a Reese's Peanut Butter Cup TV ad. Someone please tell me I'm not the only one who remembers the Reese's Puffs cereal commercial that used to come on the Nickelodeon channel all the time. If you remember what I'm talking about, let me know down in the comments. Like the Hershey's Kisses and the Jolly Ranchers, Reese's also offers apparel. Apparel isn't the only thing they have to offer. They also have these really cool Lego sets for sale. And don't miss out on the color-coded Reese's dispensary. Hershey's Kitchen is a dessert counter filled with brownies, chocolate-covered strawberries, chocolate macaroons, and cute little mini donuts. And of course, more Reese's. You can't leave without getting a famous Hershey chocolate milkshake or slushie. Kisses! Who loves kisses? And look at the plethora of flavors to choose from. The options are endless. Hershey's World also allows you to customize your very own chocolate bar wrapper. How cool is that? This iconic Statue of Liberty is made out of almost 800 pounds of Hershey milk chocolate. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and comment more ideas if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. Thanks again. Toodles!